the world has become very noisy lately. Too many things that distract us. So many short videos, everything is so fast, new trends every day. And in all that noise, it's so easy to get lost, so easy to forget where we're going, what we really want, where we really want to be in this life. If you feel this way, if you feel like you have lost yourself in all this noise, then this video is for you. I'm not a big fan of talking to the camera, so I decided to try this format while I'm getting ready for bed, washing my face, changing. I want to share my thoughts. I want to talk about how to stop, how to slow down, how to come back to your true self and remind yourself what you truly want and where you really want to go. And the first thing I want to tell you is this: remember why you started. Before you saw all these trends, before you checked what works right now, remember what your main goal was and stay focused on that. Don't let the noise around you, social media, the outside world, the news, and everything that happens take you off your path. Because you know where you are going, you know where you want to be. And yes, sometimes it feels unclear. Sometimes things take longer than you thought. Things can change along the way. There can be ups and downs, inner conflicts, fears, doubts. But the most important thing is to remember where you really want to go and to keep moving in that direction. It's okay to have ups and downs. It's okay to feel scared sometimes. We're all humans. But just keep going. Remember why you started and remember where you want to be. And when something goes wrong, when you feel lost again, when you feel sad or empty, it's just a sign that you need to stop. Just remove all distractions, all the noise, and stay with yourself. Just you and you. Silence. Listen to yourself. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. And just be with yourself. Ask yourself some questions. Usually I ask myself things like, what made me feel sad right now? What exactly affected my state? If I suddenly feel low, Then I ask, what can I do for myself today to feel better? What action can I take right now? Or what do I need to change in my daily life? Maybe some habits, maybe my reactions to things, maybe my actions, or maybe my environment needs a change. And then I follow that plan. The truth is, my questions always depend on my personal state in the moment. If I feel sad, I ask about what made me sad. If I feel lost, I stay in silence as long as I need and just listen to what I really want. Still, any reflection I do always comes back to what I personally need in that specific moment. So just take your time to reflect in silence, because it's in this silence that we can really hear ourselves, hear what we want, how we want it, connect with our true selves. And nothing can change that. Not the algorithms, not the people's opinions, not the idea of what is right. Only you, your vision, your truth. And keep moving in that direction. If you feel like you have lost yourself again, just repeat this. Because personally, I do it every day. Sometimes it's only a few minutes. Sometimes it's deeper. Sometimes I get carried away more, sometimes less. But the most important thing is to notice it in time and to come back to yourself. Close your eyes, breathe, return inside because the answers are always there. They are not outside, they are inside you. Everything you need is already inside you. This is so true. So if you feel lost, just stay with yourself. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, take a breath out, and just be one on one with yourself. And even if everything feels fine, I still suggest doing this every day because in these quiet moments, new ideas come, new realizations, you learn more about yourself, you hear what usually gets lost in the noise, and sometimes the best ideas come in silence. I'm sending you a big hug.